Well, yeah, there's some...
They crammed for finals, studied for all those exams, and finally earned their cap and gown. Now, congratulations. You have to enter the real world and get a reality check on finances. Here for Smart Money Monday, we have Aaron Kanemaru from Bank of Hawaii with some tips for these recent grads. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, you want to start spending and do that, but really you need to take a proactive plan towards thinking about your future. What should they be doing?
Well, it's very important to put attention to your finances at this stage. Many recent college graduates and adults at this point will be entering the workforce and making financial decisions that actually shape their financial life. If you were to speak to adults later in life, if they were to reflect back at this time in their life or their career, many would say they wish they would have done things differently financially.
I would agree with that. So there's a temptation once you start earning money to go out and spend, but you need to start saving as early as possible. Why is that?
Saving is very important. Although the amounts may not be significant in the beginning, what you're actually doing is saving for your future self. So adults at this age should start saving for like an emergency fund in a savings account. Their portions of their paycheck can be directly posited into the savings account because you never know what type of financial emergency would arise in the future.
What are the priorities? What are some of the first things you need to do as soon as you get out of school?
Well, many things that recent college graduates may not consider is actually health insurance. Many students are under their parents' health insurance plan, and if it didn't expire already, it'll expire soon. So they should shop around for their health insurance plan, but most commonly, these recent graduates would get their plan from their current employer or their future employer. What you do not want to do is hold off on health insurance because any unexpected medical emergency could have devastating financial impacts.
Of course, they're going to be in debt if they've gone to education. What about starting to pay off those student loans?
Well, student loans, they should start paying down immediately as well because your future self will thank you for it later.
Your future self.
Right,
I
right.
like that. If I'd only known my future self earlier. Aaron, thanks so much for all this great information.
Thank you.
We're going to post it on HawaiiNewsNow.com. We have much more coming up.